Guess what? You see all this amazing weather out here? That means that fall is here. And that means it's time for weed pre-emergent, disease prevention, and winter dormancy preparation. Because all these weeds and the fungi, they're about to blow up on your lawn like a super freaking nova. Mark my words. But fret not, my friends, because Emerald Lawns is here to hook you guys up sweet with all the tools you'll need for a perfect lawn all year long. No more heat index of 113. Need more coffee. Hi, I'm David, lawn care extraordinaire. Nobody wants their lawn covered with these bozos, but it's an uphill battle. You know, each of these weeds can produce thousands of seeds upon maturation, and they can be spread through your lawn through a variety of different ways, like running water, high winds, and, God forbid, bird poop. Ugh. And these seeds can stay in your soil for years before germinating. Plus, anytime there's damage in a lawn, it'll be at risk for a weedy invasion. And with Central Texas weather being so rough, we've got a lot to conquer, like drought, fungus, insect damage as well. Without a little help along the way, that's exactly what will happen. A beautiful green landscape will morph into a bona fide dumpster fire. But that's where we come in. You probably break your back spending all day picking up dandelions and such, when all you really need is this bad boy right here.
Emerald Lawns, how may I help you?
Hello, Emerald Lawns. Release the hounds.
Oh, consider the hounds released.
We take all the guesswork and physical work out of your weed and disease problems. In the fall, our professionally trained lawn technicians will lay out a force field around your lawn to smother out winter and spring weeds, prevent fungus, and prepare your lawn for dormancy. We apply the perfect type and amount of product each and every time so you don't have to become a weed banshee. And if disease pops up or a single weed is left remaining, give us a call and we'll fly on over and drop a hammer on that bad boy. Yes, with our muscle backing you up, all this could be yours. And when it comes to a luscious and weed-free lawn, we can't stop. We won't stop. Because here at Emerald Lawns, the grass really is greener and meaner. Huh? Oh, just greener, not meaner? Okay, gotcha. Here at Emerald Lawns, the grass really is greener and not meaner.